Now I'm live. Hey y'all, what's on? Just figured to come on and say hi. We're on our way back home. We did our meals on Wales. What else? We ran all of our errands. We went and got bottles. We went and got supplies. We done ran all over this place. Went to the counter recorders, do our homestead. We just been running around. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold up, babe. Don't try to come out of that driveway.
Pressure like a roach.
Nigel, we're on live.
Oh, sorry.
How could you say that? Wait, garage sale. Look, he has a lot of fishing poles.
Whoa. Those are nice. Oh my
Those are
God,
really
I gotta
nice.
turn around. I gotta go back over there.
Oh, you didn't want to turn around earlier. Oh, we had to get home earlier when I had to stop.
I gotta get home. I got an SRQ this time. Let's go. Forget it.
I got my vegan meat. Got me some, boy, don't try to look for vegan meat in Sebring.
It's a chore.
I went to Save a Lot, and I asked the guy, I was like, do you have any Beyond?
All over the place.
No, we didn't go all over the place. We went to Save a Lot, and then we went to Winn-Dixie.
And then Publix.
Found it at Publix. But what do you call it? At Save a Lot. I was like, oh, hi, do you have any like Beyond Meat or True Life meat? And they just kind of looked at me. I was like, it's vegan. And they're like, do what?
What? What are you talking about now, man? I don't know what you're talking about.
We're in a very
vegan meat up in here.
We're in a very meat-centric area.
We like some meat and potatoes.
That's all right, though, because we will find our vegan stuff, okay?
Or we make it ourselves.
Or we make it ourselves. Yeah, that's what we've been doing. But sometimes I like having a little, like... So that's why I like the True Life actually better than the Beyond. And I can't have the Impossible because I'm allergic to soy, and it's full of soy. So... yeah, we're looking forward to coming to, where?
Say again?
We're looking forward to coming to where?
Looking forward to coming on the road.
On Sunday to Vegan Fine Foods
in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, so we can get a little more groceries, because every time we just get more groceries.
Yeah.
So we have our vegan stuff all, stacked up. So we don't have to worry.
Get the refrigerator stocked up,
Yeah. So yeah, we're just headed home from our Friday errands. Hey,
Blue
Willie.
Vervain on the roadside.
A what?
Blue Vervain and King of the Forest.
What's a blue vervain?
Bush.
Oh, I thought that was a flower. Hey,
It's
Sean.
a flower.
Hey, Willie.
It bears a flower, but it's mostly for medicinal purposes.
Oh.
And King of the Forest. I don't see that around here that often. King of the Forest, they use it for liver spot. And other stuff too, but it's more popular for liver spot.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Well, I guess we're too boring because there's nobody on the line. So
it's Instagram?
No, it's Facebook. But we're too boring on a Friday afternoon.
Yeah. It's not popping enough.
It's not popping. Hey, what are you doing?
I was just trying to pop
Why'd you race up the thing?
I'm trying to pop it.
Oh my God, stop, Nigel. Is driving. It's been fun. Ooh, UPS truck.
Yep.
Always glad to see that. All right, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
One love and harmony.
One love. I'm going to go for a swim when I get home. It's nice out. It's 78 today. So I'm going to go for a swim before it gets dark. Because I really don't like going out there when it's dark. It's very, very dark out there. It's kind of creepy. We live right next to the woods, but I'll get used to it. It's better than having a house right next to us. So all right, for real, I'm out. Love you guys. Later. Bye-bye.
Howdy neighbors, howdy. We're going down in the boonies.